back to my channel. Long time no see, it's Imani here. So today we're going to be doing a review of the Noel Beauty Glacial Bay Clay Mask. We have it here in this beautiful purple packaging. So I'm going to incorporate it into my nighttime routine. I love to use a clay mask in the nighttime. So we're going to try this out today. This is from Vanessa Hudgens' line Noel Beauty. And they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try it. And the answer was yes. You all know I love a clay mask. I have oily skin. If this is your first time coming to LbT, your girl has oily skin, a little acne prone, anything that's going to detoxify my skin, smoothen my skin, reduce the appearance of my pores. I'm here for it. So if this is your first time watching LbT, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications. And without further ado, let's jump into the review. So I have my notes here because we're going to get into it, okay? So this is the flagship product for Noel Beauty, and it's supposed to draw out impurities, tighten your pores, and restore the complexion to its radiant glow. So I went to work today and my face is glowy like always. So I'm happy to put this into my routine tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face real quick and I'll be right back. It's made with mineral infused colloidal clay harvested from an active glacier in British Columbia, especially created for oily, acne prone and combination skin. You have Canadian colloidal clay, kaolin and bentonite clay. Bentonite is another fave of mine. Lactic acid, and you also have giant sea kelp, which is filled with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, and it's a super seaweed which reduces redness and protects your skin barrier. They also say that this mask is much more gentle than regular mask because of the Canadian colloidal clay, which we like because we hate a clay mask that dries out our skin. It just makes your skin feel like we don't like that. We're gonna put Miss Glacial Bay to the test. Apply a thin, even layer on clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye and lip areas. A little goes a long way. Leave on for 4 minutes or up to 10 minutes. Gently remove with warm water or warm washcloth and then pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week if you have oily to combination skin, or 1 to 2 times a week if you have dry or sensitive skin. Vanessa's pro tip is to steam your face or use a warm washcloth to open up your pores before applying. So one thing that I did notice is that my face started to tingle, but not like in an itchy way. I've had it on for more than 4 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and I'll be right back to give you my first impressions. Okay, so I rinsed it off. It was easy to rinse off. I used a clean washcloth, and I want to talk about the smell of it. It smells like lightly floral. It is giving like med spa. So when they say 4-minute facial, it's definitely giving facial at like a spa. They say to leave it on for 4 minutes or up to 10 minutes, and I would say I did about 12 minutes with it on. I was talking to my mom on the phone, and what I like is that even though I left it on for more than the time that they recommended, it didn't like super harden and like dry up my skin, because sometimes you have a clay mask on for more than they recommend and your face gets super tight and even starts to itch. That did not happen with this. I think my skin is looking so good, still radiant, is feeling smooth, and now I just need to finish up with my nighttime skincare routine, and I think I'm ready for bed. So let me just do that real quick and I'll be back to wrap up and give my final thoughts. All right, so I put on a quick serum, a moisturizer, and I think my skin is looking really, really good. It feels super soft. Of course, this is my first impression, so I'm gonna keep using this. I'll have an update for you guys in a couple weeks, but as of right now, I am really loving the Noel Beauty Glacial Bay Clay Mask. So this is supposed to immediately reduce oil and smoothen and tighten your skin. I definitely feel that, and in 2 weeks you should be seeing help with your acne and your breakouts. I'm gonna continue to use this. I have oily skin, so I'm probably gonna use it like twice a week, and I will have an update for you guys. You all know I don't play about my skincare, so don't forget to put your notifications on so that you are notified when I drop my next video. This retails for $45 for 1.7 fluid ounces, and you can get it at LbT&x. I have it linked in the caption if you want to check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Are you into clay masks? Do you have oily skin like me? Sound off in the comments down below. I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions about this product, and I'll be sure to answer them. Don't forget, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'm gonna put them up right here. I hope that this was enjoyable and helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night, guys. Bye.